Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change a wrong delivery address on an order on Etsy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in etsy.com. When you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or of course guys, if you already do not have a profile on Etsy, you can always go and create one. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have categories where you can check out all of the categories that the website has. We have the search bar where you can go, of course, and search for some items. And in the top right corner, your account and everything about it. But now, guys, let's see how to change a wrong delivery address on an order on Etsy. So when you go and find an order, so for instance, you can go and type in a t-shirt. Then when you click on there, you can go and, of course, click on the t-shirt, add it to your cart, and then of course buy it, put in information, of course, about everything there. But of course, when you want to change an order, you just need to go to your orders, which as you can see here, we have the shop manager. So, but we need to go and click on your profile, and here you purchases and reviews. Here, if your purchase is not yet sent to you, you can of course go and change your purchase. So you can go to the purchases and change the purchase to the items delivery address, which you of course want to do. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one on this channel. Until then, bye guys.